We start a United States operation from 35 years ago. Caribbean, South America, and the United States, concentratedly like this. First of all, already
Alfa Laval
have USCG type approval. That's the biggest advantage, That we are operating mainly United States, Caribbean, and South America. So we should deal with the USCG. That's the reason we choose Alfa Laval. The other hand, very easy operation. Just the crew member push the button, start the button, then that's it. Very good. Most important for crew member is system is simple, operation is simple. That's the reason we choose Alfa Laval. Second is very compact, and then third, not much trouble. Because of the long history, they have a lot of experience. Therefore, we trust Alfa Laval. That's the reason we choose. 9 new vessels, we choose Alfa Laval because of our previous experience.